In this video, I'll show you how you can utilize Cloudflare Worker for phishing attack. You might have seen a lot of blog posts talking about it. I'll show you a quick demo on how you can set up Cloudflare Worker to create a Google phishing page. So to do that, we will be utilizing few services. In my case, I will be using the Send API to receive an email when a victim clicks or submit their username and passwords to the field. So for that, I set up a recent API. To set this thing up, we needed a random domain name. You can have any domain name, and of course Cloudflare account to set up the worker. So I'll go back to our Cloudflare account first. I'll click on create worker, and we're gonna just rename it to demo Google Fish and click on deploy. And this should deploy a demo code that says hello world. We're gonna set in a bit, and it is done. We can click on this line. It says hello world. We go back to this page. It says the project is deployed. When I click on edit code, and this is where the magic happens. This is the code. We're gonna replace it with our malicious phishing code. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open my code here, copy and delete all of this old code, paste it, and now this is where everything happens. You see, I have a simple async function to handle the logins, and then the JavaScript that actually sent out the credentials using resend API to my email address. When I click on deploy, and I give it a second to finish deploying, I'm just copy this URL. It says it's deployed successfully. When I go back to new browser, paste it, hit enter. It is logged here, and it says that's a Google sign-in page. I'm gonna send the credentials. I'm gonna send admin at google.com, and password is going to be admin at 2025. We click on next, and you see nothing happened. If you look into Bob data, we can see we're sending a login credentials to API with this information, and it says a message says credential has sent successfully. We go back to our log files. We'll have to refresh it, and it should show the log has been sent, the email has been sent. We can see our username and password. We can see the same thing here as well, username and password over our email. I hope you learned something. Have a good day.